The brain's limbic system is part of the midbrain. You will note in the visual a picture of the amygdala. The amygdala is the part of the midbrain that is responsible for the response and memory of emotions, especially fear. Thus, if a student is fearful or experiencing events that they perceive to be fearful and or perhaps even linked to previous traumatic events, their thinking can become sloppy and distorted. They may react quickly and overreact to situations that don't correlate with what is exactly happening in the moment. It's important to note that the amygdala is part of the fight-flight response that happens when students' brains are in survival mode.